In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bouncing text animation in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to open up CapCut and I'm going to create a new project. And now I'm going to choose this guy spinning a basketball on his finger. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add. And now I want to add some text. So in order to add text, click on text at the bottom of the page here, and then click on add text again. And now put in what you want to say in the text field. And now I'm going to have a play around with some fonts here. So I'm going to choose this Rubik one. And then I'm going to position this to the bottom of the video like so. Now from here, we want to click onto animation. Then from here, just scroll down and we've got a few different options we can use. So we can use the pop-up animation to bounce up, or you can bounce in using the bounce in one, like so. If we scroll down a bit further, we've got the random bounce. This is our Pro feature inside CapCut. If you do want to check out CapCut Pro, I will leave a link in the description below where you can try CapCut free for a 7-day trial. In saying that, if we scroll down, we've got a wave bounce here. And just have a play around and have a look around which type of bounce you want to use. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and click on the tick button here. Now if I play this video, you can see we've got that bounce effect on this video, on the text here inside the video. Then from here, just go ahead and export your work and make sure the resolution is set to the max and frame rate to max as well, so you get the best quality download.